Alright guys, I've got a nice Raptor SD 52-inch Hustler. It's got a big oversized seat. It's in really good shape. Fabricated 52 inch, it's a 54-inch deck. Heavy duty front casters and bigger back wheels with a wider stance on here. It's a little faster than your average homeowner mower. Not as quick as like a full-blown commercial mower, but definitely a good mower here. 25 horsepower Kohler engine with the Pro, what do they call it? Pro Performance package on there. I think this thing has just over 800 hours. Everything's in real good shape on this mower that I've seen. It has a tiny little tear right there in the seat. And yep, 872 hours. Has an automatic choke on it. Fires right up. Runs real smooth, doesn't vibrate or what do you call it? Smoke or anything like that. I'll rev it up for you. Starting to rain a little bit, but I'll go ahead and try to get some mowed. Grass is real wet right now. Deck adjustments right here. Still got a foot pedal deck adjustment like the commercial ones do, and a pin for your height. Blades. Got a nice high blade tip speed. See, even with it wet there, nice clean level cut. This mower operates great. Make a good one for somebody.